I'm Jane Willis, I'm Director of Willis Newson and we're the curators of the arts programme here at Bwthyn. We have been working with a group of artists, some of them local, some of them nationally acclaimed artists, to commission artworks for the bedrooms, the day room, the landscape, the gardens around the building, to try and make it feel as welcoming, homely, uplifting as possible for the patients and also for the staff who work here. There was a lot of evidence around the fact that if you bring nature into healthcare environments, people find it very calming, very relaxing, it reduces stress and it makes people feel better. So that's one of the ideas behind it. But additionally, the artist, Anna Bruce, who's actually a student of the University of South Wales, developed the artwork by talking to patients and running arts workshop with patients about the things that they held dear in their lives, the things that actually made them feel good, made them feel well. And gardens and the kind of activities that people do in their gardens was one of the themes that came up. So this is the wall directly opposite the entrance to the unit. We wanted, when people arrived at the unit, for them to be welcomed by something that was really soft and calm but friendly. And the artist who designed this is Kate Bond. And again, through talking to patients, the theme that came up for people was once again the landscapes of South Wales. So this illustration that starts as you enter the unit and runs through the whole central spine of the building represents the hills and valleys and the trees and the plants of South Wales. This is a history wall that tells the story of Bwthyn, the original cottage hospital, which is the place that patients and staff are moving from into this new unit. And the wall was designed by artists Heather Parnell and David Mackey, again through gathering the stories and reminiscences of patients and the wider local community, hearing their stories about Bwthyn and piecing those personal reminiscences together with the more official timeline of the hospital. One of the artists we've been working with is a South Wales photographer called Dyma Bartlett, and we commissioned Dyma to create a whole portfolio of photographs of landscapes and places, not just around this area but across South Wales. And the idea of the photographs was again to record all those beautiful landscapes that people hold so dear, but to be able to offer them up to patients and relatives in the bedrooms, and you can slide the photographs in. So every single bedroom has got an old LP case, and in each case there are 20 different images. So a relative or a patient can actually flick through the pictures, find an image that speaks to them and choose to have that up in their bedroom.